Hi, thanks for watching. I'm Ethan Frelly in front of our brand new listing at 29583 Southwest Beaumont in Wilsonville. Come on in, we're gonna take a look inside. Okay, coming in, greeted with this very open floor plan. Beautiful colors, lots of light coming in. One quick sweep through here. So firstly, you have this awesome little glass door nook area, which could be used, well, this is being used as a sitting area, but it could be used as an office. And that opens up to the foyer area I just came through. And like I said, the open living, kitchen, and dining area. So coming from the back here, all this light comes through. Dining area is right there. I'm going to turn around here so you can see out the window. Very nice. And as you can see out the window, it's cloudy. It's not. It doesn't make that much of a difference in here. It's very bright. I love how big the slab top is. Great colors in the kitchen here. The undermount lighting really kind of brings it in. It's small, a little backyard courtyard. This is what you can see out of the kitchen. This is a slider that goes out there. And this is the dining area. Tuck myself into this corner. There's lots of views from this, like I said, very open floor plan. Here's their pantry. Down this hallway you have a half bathroom and access to 2-car garage. Half bathroom. And let's take a peek upstairs. Okay, lots of light coming through. Make it up to the second floor here. And on the top you have 1 bedroom. Sneak a peek in there. 2 master bedroom. 3, and then a loft here. And laundry. So let's do a view here. So going back to here, here's the first bedroom right off the stairs. It looks over the front yard. Tons of light coming in. Big closets. I love the space above the closets. Okay, down the hall, have another bedroom. This is being used as an office. Once again, though, gives a good representation of the size actually without the bed in there. Closet space. Now across the way is the bathroom. And then next to it is the master. We're going to explore the master here. So the master has the 3 windows, tons of light coming in, really cool coffered ceilings. Sellers did an amazing job with paint in here. I love that there's a his and hers closet. And then kind of a grand entrance into a really big bathroom. So commode area, walk-in stand-up shower, soaking tub. And then you have your tall vanities and a dual vanity too, which is nice. All that light comes through too, it's amazing. Okay, so walking down the hallway, here's the hall guest closet, or guest bathroom, excuse me. Also tall vanities with 2. And then here's down to the last bedroom. So this has the view over the back of the house. And I'll peek out the window so you can see too. All the rooms here though, very similar sized, with very similar sized closet space. Very evenly used. And here you can kind of get a better view of the backyard area. And then it is rear entrance for the garage, the alley entrance, excuse me. And then the cool thing about this home is it has a little loft area here. Very usable. And my favorite aspect is they always have a little peek over. Go. And then lastly is the laundry. So there you are, 29583 Southwest Beaumont in Wilsonville. Please like and share the video that we have. And if you have any questions, please let me know. My phone number here is 503-218-3838. Thanks, bye-bye.